Realme GT 60. So let's first start with this mobile's price tag. This mobile will be available in 4 variants. Those are, first of all, let's start with the base variant. That is a 8GB RAM 128GB. This was priced at 26,999, almost 27,000 rupees. And the next variant is 8GB RAM 256GB internal storage. This was priced at 28,999, almost like 29,000 rupees. And the next variant is 12GB RAM 256GB internal storage variant. This was priced at 31,999 rupees, almost 32,000 rupees. And the top end variant is 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage variant. This was priced at 35,999 rupees, almost 36,000 rupees. So these are the price ranges of this mobile. I will give a link to check this mobile in the description box down below. You can directly check it out from there, and you can also buy it from there from Amazon. By the way, this mobile was released 22nd May 2024 in India, and this mobile comes to the sale on 29th May 12 PM. I will post a link to buy that mobile at that time, so be sure you have subscribed to the channel and hit that like button, and also hit the subscribe bell icon. And I will post a link to that in the Instagram as well, so make sure you have followed me on Instagram also. Now let's start with this video. This mobile, let's first start with the display size. This mobile comes with a 6.78 inches of 120Hz refresh rate LTPO AMOLED display. That's not it. This mobile is the first mobile which is coming with a 6000 nits of peak brightness, as well as this mobile comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, and it is a curved display also. And now let's move on from display to the processor. This is the first mobile also which is coming with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3, which is a 4nm based octa-core 5G processor. Now when I say 5G, we need to know about the 5G bands, right? Yes, this mobile is coming with 13 5G bands, and this mobile comes with the UFS 4.0 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5 RAM type. So now let's move on from this processor to the cameras. Yeah, we need to know about the cameras, right? This mobile comes with the dual cameras at the back side. A 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera which can also be used as macro. And for the front, it comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. So to power up this mobile, we need a huge battery. This mobile also comes with a huge battery. That is, this mobile comes with a 5500 milliamps of huge battery, which supports 120 watts of fast charge through wire. And this mobile battery is split in half, that means 2 parts, so that it can be charged fastly and a less amount of heat could be produced. By the way, this mobile comes with a huge vapor cooling system to make this mobile be cool at any time. And this mobile also comes with a lot of features, like this mobile comes with a stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack like all the mobiles. And this mobile comes with the, when we talk about the operating system, it comes with the Android version 14 out of the box with the Realme UI 5.0. And this mobile comes with the Wi-Fi 6 dual band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.4, which are the latest features. It also supports NFC. This mobile also comes with the in-display fingerprint scanner. When we talk about the colors, this mobile will be available in 4 colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below. The silver and green color also included in that. Those are the 2 I can remember because they are hard to remember. Yeah, this is all about this mobile. This mobile also comes with all the sensors. It doesn't skip any sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, and accelerometer and everything. So this is all about this mobile. This mobile comes with the mobile. When we talk about the box contents, this mobile comes with the mobile itself and a TPU case and a SIM ejector tool, charger, cable, and some quick start guides or something like that. So these are the things that you will get inside the box of this mobile. So wait until 29th of this mobile, watch my videos until that, and subscribe to my channel. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.